Are you tired of doing the same boring, repetitive tasks on your computer every single day? Clicking the same buttons, typing the same text, organizing the same files over and over again? What if I told you there's a secret weapon that can reclaim hours of your life, boost your productivity, and even make you feel like a tech wizard? That weapon is scripting. And no, you don't need to be a coding genius to use it. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of automation. I'm going to show you how you can use simple scripts to automate the tedious parts of your life so you can focus on what truly matters. We'll cover what scripting is, why it's a game changer, and I'll even walk you through some real-world examples that you can start using today, from managing your files to automating your social media. By the end of this video, you'll see your computer not just as a tool, but as a personal assistant ready to do your bidding. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's learn how to make our computers work for us, not the other way around. First things first, what exactly is scripting? Let's demystify it. Think of a script as a set of instructions, like a recipe. You write down the steps you want your computer to follow, and the computer executes them perfectly every single time. Instead of you manually clicking through 5 different folders to find a file, you can write a simple script that does it for you in a split second. It's about teaching your computer to handle the grunt work. The amazing thing is, you don't need a computer science degree. Languages like Python are famous for their simple, readable syntax. In many cases, writing a script feels like writing plain English instructions. For tasks within specific applications like spreadsheets, you can use built-in scripting tools that are even simpler. The core idea is always the same. Identify a repetitive task, break it down into steps, and write those steps down for your computer to follow. It's that simple. So why should you even bother learning this? The benefits are huge. The most obvious one is time. Imagine all the minutes you spend each day renaming files, sending template emails, or downloading reports. Add those up over a week, a month, a year. It's staggering. Automation gives you that time back. Suddenly you have more hours to be creative, learn a new skill, or just relax. Beyond just saving time, automation eliminates human error. Have you ever accidentally deleted the wrong file or made a typo in an important email? A well-written script doesn't get tired or distracted. It performs the task flawlessly every single time, ensuring consistency and accuracy. This is a massive stress reducer, especially for work-related tasks where mistakes can be costly. Plus, learning to script is an incredible skill to have. It boosts your problem-solving abilities and looks fantastic on a resume. It shows you're proactive, efficient, and tech-savvy. You start seeing problems not as obstacles, but as puzzles you can solve with a few lines of code. It's empowering. All right, enough theory. Let's get into the fun stuff. Real-world examples. Let's start with something almost everyone deals with: file management. Is your downloads folder a chaotic mess of poorly nested files? Let's fix that. You can write a script that automatically sorts files based on their type. For example, it could move all PDF documents into a Documents folder, all images like JPEGs and PNGs into a Pictures folder, and all executables into a Software folder. You can schedule this script to run once a day, and boom, your Downloads folder stays permanently clean with zero effort from you. Let's take it a step further. Imagine you download a bunch of photos from your camera. They have names like DSC01, DSC02, and so on. That's not very helpful. A simple script can rename all of them based on the date they were taken and a descriptive name, so they become Vacation 2024-07 15001 JPG, Vacation 2024-07 15022 JPG. Instantly, your photo library is organized and searchable. This is the kind of practical magic scripting offers. Now let's talk about work and communication. Do you find yourself sending the same kind of email over and over? Maybe it's a weekly report summary, a follow-up to a new client, or just a thank you note. You can automate this. Using a scripting language like Python, you can write a script that connects to your email account, pulls data from a spreadsheet, like a client's name and a project update, and automatically crafts and sends a personalized email. You can set it to run on a schedule, so your weekly reports go out every Friday at 5 p.m. without you even thinking about it. This also works for web tasks. This is where it gets really powerful. This is called web scraping. Let's say you want to track the price of a product on an e-commerce site. Instead of checking the page every day, you can write a script that visits the website, finds the price, and records it in a spreadsheet. You can even set it up to send you an email alert when the price drops below a certain point. This is how people find amazing deals on flights, electronics, and more. It's like having a personal shopper who works 24/7 for free. Another great example is data entry. If you have to copy information from a website or a PDF and paste it into a spreadsheet, you know how mind-numbingly dull that is. A script can do this in seconds. It can read the data from the source, identify the specific pieces of information you need, and populate your spreadsheet automatically. I've seen people save 10 to 20 hours a week by automating this one task alone. Think about what you could do with that extra time. Even your social media can be automated. If you're a content creator or a small business owner, you know how important it is to be active online. But posting consistently can be a chore. You can use scripts to schedule posts across multiple platforms. You can create a spreadsheet with your post content, images, and desired posting times. And the script can handle the rest, automatically publishing your content for you. It's a fantastic way to maintain an online presence without being glued to your phone all day. So, how do you get started? It's less intimidating than it sounds. My #1 recommendation for beginners is Python. It's one of the most popular and user-friendly programming languages out there. The community is massive, which means there are countless free tutorials, videos, and forums to help you. Websites like FreeCodeCamp, Coursera, and even YouTube itself are packed with high-quality beginner courses. A great first project is the file organizer we talked about earlier. It's practical, the logic is easy to understand, and the feeling you get when you see it work for the first time is incredibly motivating. Start small. Don't try to build a complex AI on day one. Automate one tiny, annoying task, then another, and another. With each small victory, your confidence will grow, and you'll start to see automation opportunities everywhere. Remember, the goal isn't to become a professional software developer overnight. The goal is to learn just enough to make your own life easier. It's about investing a little bit of time upfront to save a massive amount of time in the long run. It's one of the best investments in your personal productivity you can ever make. So, I challenge you. Think of one repetitive task you do on your computer every day. Just one. It could be renaming files, checking a website, or typing a standard reply. Now go and search for how to automate your task with Python or your preferred tool. You'll be amazed at what you find. Take that first step. Your future self, who has an extra hour every day, will thank you for it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has inspired you to explore the incredible world of scripting and automation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on productivity and tech. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's the first task you're going to try to automate? Let's share ideas and help each other out. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.